Hey guys, I'm Mick. Welcome back to my channel MYKK2083. Today is day 3 in Cox'S Bazar, 9th June 2022, and I woke up few hours ago and then went to have some complimentary breakfast, but I didn't make any video about that. There is already a video about the complimentary breakfast in my channel. If you guys look for it, back in October 2021 I made it. So anyways, I didn't make any vlog about that, so I had some awesome breakfast and then came back to my room, and now starting the day by checking out from this hotel, Seagull hotel, and then I'll check into another hotel named Ocean Paradise. So now I'll go to the reception and check out from here, and then we'll check into another hotel. So let's see what happens. So let's go. Hey guys, check out time, so let's go. Checkout is done, paid all my bills, and everything is paid now. And it wasn't much this time, it's only like 120 euro. Have a look. 120 euro because I stayed in a regular room. So yeah, 1200 euro, 120 euro is like 11,900 something. So yeah, wasn't much. So my tuk-tuk is here. So let's get into the tuk-tuk and let's go to the other hotel now. Let's go. Hey guys, it's pouring today. Since morning, it's like super cats and dogs.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
So let's go to the Ocean Paradise now and exiting Seagull Hotel. Because of the rain, it'll like close to them. I have to tie this knot for this rain protection, like a rain protective layer from the tuk-tuk on both sides. So anyways, yeah, it was raining and it's still raining, but before early in the morning it was like super pouring, and that's why I got late for checkout. It's almost 11:30 and checkout time is at 12. So yeah, a few minutes more than I had to pay for it the whole day. It was really like I had to do it really fast and all those things. So yeah, now I cannot show you guys the street view because the both sides of the tuk-tuk is covered with rain protection plastic. So see you guys when I get to Ocean Paradise.